What's so beautiful and amazing people? Of course, it's your girl Jackie ndani ya 2MBILI TV, and you know what? Leo nimewaletea the host mwenye 2MBILI TV. Hi 2MBILI.
Mambo vipi?
Uko aje?
Niko poa.
Naona umeng'ara leo, umepiga luku. Kuna shout out ama?
Leo si watag leo.
Leo umejibaia?
Leo si watag leo. Hata kama sijajibaia nimechoka kutagawa. Nataka nione ni si watag watadu nini.
Si watachukua nguo zao?
Hawezi chukua.
Nazinunua.
I love to pay kwa sababu hata hao wenyewe ndo wanakataga nisilipie, si ati sina pesa ya kulipa. Yeah, it's just a shortcut of them not giving us money. Unajua ma promoters na business people are so like akikupea unajua ni cheap kwake kwa sababu anakupea na ile bei ni kama amekununulia nguo na wholesale. Yeah, si ile bei yenye wewe unatangazia watu waende wanunue nayo. But again pia ni shortcut ya kukataa kukulipa. Because wezi lipa rent na shout out.
So 2MBILI, the other day tuliona ulikuwa na show and it was really nice. Maybe according to kwanza tueleze show ilikuwaje, you tell us, did you achieve the things you wanted? Yeah, tuambie.
First of all, let me appreciate all my fans for coming out that day. It was crazy. They were patient until I got on stage without my outfit that that was in my script. Speaking
of outfit, 2MBILI, tulikuwa pale na shots. What happened?
You know, your show by the way, what people don't know is the show Who's Laughing Now was supposed to be a one-man show. Then Akukudenja and Ogabachela and Felix Omondi were my openers. Things went south last minute. People didn't even notice. They don't know why I took long to like get on stage. And still I got earlier than compared to the time I was supposed to get on stage. What really happened is first my outfit ilichelewa kidogo. I even felt like putting on the suit nilikuwa nimevaa kwa nini kwa the press. But again my PA akaniambia usifanye hivyo, unaona. So the only way akaniambia walini order manguo mob by the way. Nilikuwa naletwa ma jeans, ingine kiuno ni ndogo, ingine ni baggy. So I just felt, man, let me just get on this stage hivi. Kwa sababu pia nilikuwa napigwa masimu na mafans washafika kina Nick Nimrod asking what time is it, you know, I'm getting on stage. Pia huko nje watu walikuwa wamekataa kuingia kwa nini kwa venue ndani. They were just hanging around the parking and the press area. Wanataka mpaka niingie stage. So, and me, I was waiting for my outfit. I was waiting for Akukudenja, Ogabachela and Felix Omondi so that to peleke program vile ilikuwa. So when I saw this thing nikingojawa say, it's me ndo jina yangu itaribika, not them. Them wale, unaona. Na pia inguo, nobody knows that I was supposed to put on such like a certain outfit. So that's when I decided to get on stage. Nanili get on stage, I didn't even, you know, people are saying how the show was nice, they laughed. But again, the real thing is I didn't even do even a single joke from my set. I didn't perform, I was just freestyling. Because show iliharibika. It was crazy. This I'm just telling you. The show was supposed to be a special. Like they were supposed to come on stage, do 10 minutes. Then me I get on stage, do at least 40 minutes. Then we call it a day. But the moment things went south, I decided isho itaribika na ni mimi ndo itaenda na jina yangu. That's when I decided to nilikasirika tu, singojei nguo tena, singojei Akukudenja tena, singojei nani tena. I just decided to get on stage. And it was amazing. I saw people how they responded like physically, those who were there. Some sent me messages. And some even called me, some are still commenting from there's a few posts. Even the photographer didn't come. You know, up to now, people don't have the photos from the event.
Oh, speaking about the photographer, people also expected that you shoot your videos on Nepal YouTube. What happened?
Okay, the video was shot and Nile too, it's too early, still early to post them. because I'm still working on the red carpet interviews. The little time I get every time I'm posting the red carpet to siezi taki nizichanganye. I think the shows will have to post them from maybe Friday. From Friday, let them get ready to see. For those ones who didn't come, na pesa yenyu kidogo tu ya bundles, you'll have to enjoy the show. And
also 2MBILI, about people, tuliona watu walijaa, some people outside, wengine walibebana kwa viti, wengine, maybe did you expect that number?
First of all, the show was narrated from the organizer who was 2MBILI. I underrated that show, though I put in so much efforts to see into it that hata kama underrate, let it not go below my expectation. Because I would have felt so bad to see I've put in so much resources like time. I wasn't even doing, I took Celeb to a break, everything online, nini my fans wanauliza kunaendaje. So it was a risk. I was having sleepless nights. Because sometimes I have to make calls to my friends in diaspora. We have long hours, like the CEO of CMG days. We were talking like 4 good hours, trying to kupanga tu hii show tuone imeenda sawa vile iko. Though I just thank God that it didn't go below my expectation. Na ili exceed my expectation, because the show was sold out. Like each and every ticket was bought. I even had to tell my brother aniprintie tiko zingine just in case ya wase wanakam kubai tiko kwa mlango. But again, the show was already sold out. Then the venue, tuliswitchiwa venue last minute, which I felt so bad. And I think that's why you see even we had people sharing a seat, people watching comedy while standing. And they were very patient. The show ilikuwa freshi. People were so patient. They were watching the show while standing. It has never been happened in any stand-up comedy show, even if it's stand-up. Now the audience was the one that was standing up. So literally. So I really thank God, and we're hoping that the next editions will have enough space, and we'll have enough even bigger, like people expect much, like kijokes wise, content wise, people tuliona waliridhika. Na imagine waliridhika na mimi hata sikupiga joke yangu hata moja. I was just having fun. I was like hosting the gig. I was coming spontaneously, doing jokes up and pale, roasting part of my audience, the likes of Akina Kaspool. Trio came through, like celebrities. Like the show was just full of celebrities. And also my fans pia. Ndo naambiaga wase, I'm your favorite comedian. Like if your favorite comedian is Eric Omondi, then I'm Eric Omondi's favorite comedian. That's why you see the house was full, like with comedians. Akina Kosi were there, YY was there, Nani Kabugi was there, Cheryl was there. Like I appreciate each and every one of them for coming. Otoyo, big man himself. I just saw Otoyo after show imeisha hapo nje. I didn't, that light ilikuwa inanipiga macho, you can't see the audience. So I realized hapo nje so many people were there, like so many people. Then upstairs pia wasi walikuwa wengi. Like my prayer after seeing that was that I just wish God can give me a chance to appreciate all these people when they have such a thing. And I think on 5th, Otoyo is doing his show. I'm gonna pull up. I'll go up support him. Oga Bachelor, he had a show the same night, but he made sure that he turned up to my show. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Even my fans out there, that's why you see, nilisema anybody who still has their ticket, I'll make sure I give each and every one of them a ride in my Beamer.
Oh, that's nice.
Just to appreciate them.
So maybe is there that one person you invited personally and they didn't come?
Akukudenja. Yes.
Did he reach out?
Akukudenja is the only show. By the way, let me tell you, it's not that I'm bragging or not. I didn't invite anybody to my show. I was just marketing the show. Cause mimi mse moja spendi disappointments. I'm that person who will tell you, I feel like if I tell you to come to my show, then you don't turn up, unipe excuses which even some are legit, uniambie hey manze mama alikuwa anajifungua au nilikosa fare, I'll feel bad. So that's why I didn't invite anybody to my show. I was just marketing the show just like any other promoter, and the people came. Yeah, the only person I invited and didn't come is Akuku Danger. He was supposed to go on stage, he didn't come.
So everybody or most of the people were expecting Oga Obina in your show. What happened? Or maybe start with, what's your relationship as per now with Oga Obina?
Oga, we are very good friends. He didn't come because he had a show in Uganda, which I'm very sure he's still in Uganda right now. Alikuwa na show on 30th, and he went to Uganda on 28th, I think. On 28th. Yeah, so it's a good reason to say he didn't come. Tungekuwa tunaongelea maybe kama kwa Uganda na ange come, haku come. Because that one I can't say, because at least we have a legit reason why he didn't make it to my show. The other reason, the first question you ask, our relationship is good. We are friends, we talk. Nile tu, as I said before, kikazi ndio ile kidogo tulikosana. Tulikosana kikazi. Things went south one evening, and you know,
maybe you can spill the beans.
Tulikosana tu kwa set, yani tulikosana kwa set, you know. 2MBILI ni mtu mtundu. 2MBILI, someone who just takes jokes sometimes too far, and maybe to some point, Obi is a comedian, and you know, some comedians it's hard to joke with a comedian, you know. So sometimes unaweza joke ya comedian na pia aone au jamaa pana ni huyu kuna vile hii joke ataka ni joke hii inaweza kuja ndio afikirie hii joke na mimi. Lazima kuna chembe za ukweli hapa. So kidogo ikakuwa ni we had to part ways as maybe partners, work-wise. And the kitu yani, it was coincidence again. Unajua Obi tuli disagree hata before Kiss TV fungwe. And we were still doing our show, the one we were doing,
the kula.
Not kula. Me wasn't, sikuwa naonekana kula. Nilikuwa tu behind the scene. Our FNL, Friday Night Live, the show we used to co-host on Kiss TV. So the thing is, when we were doing the last episode before Kiss TV fungwe, like ni coincidence. There was no chemistry, like ile usual. Even the producers waliona, like director waliona. I think even a few fans waliona. Like there was no chemistry kidogo. Like we were being, nikaa tumeshikiwa kiboko to shoot hiyo kitu. Unaona? Me personally, I felt it wasn't coming out, because I was like, Obi is like the last person I would like to disagree with, unaona. But time imefika, we can't work together. So that thing was, we were faking, me personally, I felt like I was faking laughter kwa hiyo show. But again, after tumeshoot hivi, tunasikia TV inafungwa. I don't know even kama hiyo show ilienda gaiwani, but yeah. So it's something that really, cause me, I was like, I never saw this day coming. Like I had never seen a day like this where I can't work with Obina. Obina can't give me a call to maybe give me his schedule, you see. So mi mwenye ilinishtua. Yeah. A day where I can't drive to his place to maybe take my kids to play with his kids, you know. Cause now it will be like, you know, I don't get it, like, you know. But at the end of the day, it had to happen, pia, yeah.
So maybe there were allegations that wewe na Obina kuna venye you guys are not straight.
nani hayuko straight? We have kids. Kwani hao watoto ni tumenyongea watu kwa vitu zao kwani? We have kids, I have kids, he has kids. So ni hizo tu like, you know, our friendship was too much design. Mtu hawezi expect that wanaume wanaweza kwa mabeshte hiyo design.
Oh yeah.
Unaona? So people were like kuna kitu inaendelea hapa. Obina anachimba tumbili. Unaona?
Yeah.
So ni ile tu like, you know, kama hujazoea urafiki fulani, utaona urafiki wa mtu kuna kitu inaendelea.
Oh yeah.
Unaona? It's like one two business partners wakiwa marafiki sana na wewe umejaribigi biashara yako na mtu mwingine na haikuwork. You feel like even the product they are pushing is not the product in this business. Kuna kitu wa watu wanafanya. Yeah. So that was the case with our friendship. We were together, like our kids were very close. I was very close with his kids. He was very close with my kids. I think even the name Flower, my daughter's name Flower, ni Obi alimpea. Because you see, that's not her real name. But from how my daughter loves Flower, like she can't go to school without Flower. Akitoka shule lazima Flower. Like she's like Flower every day, every time. Like akiona maua, hata kama mnaenda shop tu kununua breakfast, she wants Flower. Na anataka a fresh flower from the different from the one you maybe gave her last. So at this time we were going to Obina's farm somewhere in Kajiado County. So and I think it was like the first encounter alikuwa na interact na my kids and Flower was like nataka hizi Flower, like she was like Flower every time. So that's when Obi alianza kumuita Flower. Na hiyo jina ikastika, hata mtu mwenyewe ukimuuliza jina lazima Flower iko hapo katikati. Like she just loves flowers every time. Yeah.
Yeah, would you love to mend your relationship with Obina?
Being that it wasn't something serious to me. You know, me nakuga like niligrow, I grew up in a let me say a happy family. And personally pia mi mwenyewe nikiangalia there is nothing that can make me ati ni jam ama nifanye nini. I'm always happy. So ni ngumu kukosana na Tumbili ni mse mmoja ngumu sana kukosana naye. Utanitusi all day, utanipiga. At the end of the day I will still consider you as my friend, you know. So for Obi, I don't know from his side, but to me akinicall aniambia, yo bro, I want you to do this and this, I'll do it. I'll still do it anytime, any day. Yeah.
So like you guys always make calls, you guys talk?
Yeah, we do talk. Like I think the last time we talked was like 3 weeks ago, I think. He wanted to feature, not even before then, we were at Ward Phoebe's Dawari Pay, and we were together all through. But before then, tulikuwa tumebonga story ya yeye kufanya project na Ngesh. Yeah. So he had a big project which we wanted to feature Ngesh also in the project. But we can say Ngesh was Ngesh.
Speaking about
Ngesh alipiga Obi budget hata Kalia yezi piga nani Obi, you know.
Ilikuwa budget ya ngapi?
Nile tu like, you know, ameingia kwa game. You can even remember from an interview with Dr. Fweneke, alisema anachajigi 300,000 for a gig Ngesh. So watu wanaezona ni mimi nilimwambiaga, no, it wasn't me. Yeah.
So ya Obina alicharge ngapi?
It was hiyo Obi tu mwenyewe ndiye anaweza disclose. Though Obi ndiye aliniambia. So me Obi tu ndiye anaweza disclose hiyo.
Yeah, now speaking about Ngesh. 2MBILI tunakuona kwa mtandao kila mahali, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, it's 2MBILI and Ngesh. Maybe how did you receive this message?
Yeah, about
Ngesh. Venye is like 2MBILI alimonea 18 nini story mob to her allegations.
First of all, mimi nikiona hiyo story ya Ngesh anasema alinionea 18, I appreciate it cause me all through nilitaka tu achanuke kwa game. So kama alichanuka na kanionea 18, I really appreciate at least my efforts are being seen. that alichanuka. Mimi nilikuwa namchanua kwa game asitumike. So kama mimi ndio I was the first client kwa ye kuchanuka, well and good. I really appreciate, at least it shows me that she learned something. Cause me, I was just showing her the way. I wasn't managing Ngesh. I just wanted her to asitumike. Unaona? Kama ni interview, niliona interview fulani wakisema mimi ati hao interviewers wengine walikuwa wanalipa, ni 2MBILI peke yake hakulipa. Ndio interviews wengine walipe, ni mimi niliwaambia walipe. Mungai Eve, I talked to Trevor, nikamwambia Trevor iko hivi. Ude mtapiga na interview but mumtafutie kitu. It's not our usual interviews. I felt it. I felt this chick, she needs support. She needs help. Unaona? Tusifanye kazi ile zingine za kina Kasipul, which we even charge. Me, I charge interviews. I do charge interviews. Hiyo hata nakwambia. The least amount I've charged for an interview was 50,000. The least. I charge interviews. Kama ni even Kido wa Mombasa will tell you every interview I've done with him.
Even the celebrities.
Celebrity, it depends. It depends wewe ndio umenitafuta ama mimi nimekutafuta. Kama ni mimi nimekutafuta, you don't have to pay. But kama ni wewe umenitafuta, you'll have to pay. Yeah, you will have to pay.
So Ngesh interview. So tuliona pale the other day Mboya did an interview with her. She was like, venye alikuwa anaongea, people fans wali claim she talked so rude, nini. And then story na phone, maybe what really happened?
First of all, it's so sad that Mboya was doing the interview just to tarnish my name. But 2MBILI, as I'll just repeat, 2MBILI is a brand that you can tarnish all day, but you can't finish. Because I know my way up. You know me, I'm a brand. I every step I make, I don't forget the previous steps. So just in case anything happens, ukumbele, I'll have to trace them. No. I'll have to trace. That's why I don't burn bridges. If it's Obina who helped me to get up, I don't burn bridge with Obina. So that in case I slide, I'll still go back to Obina and mwambie bro nimekosea mahali. Show me the way again. No. If it's Jalango, if it's Nani, if it's 2MBILI myself, if it's my parent, if it's my kids, I'll have to. I don't burn bridges. So Mboya mwenyewe, he was pushing Ngesh to the wall together with the brother. Mimi nionekane mwizi. Nona? Nobody is perfect. Mboya mwenyewe is one of the people I hold with my hands when everybody was against him.
Oh, actually, speaking of that, tuliona pale kwa interview, you tried to ask him, akajaribu kulenga your story. Maybe, how did you come from Mboya?
Mboya, when everybody was fighting Mboya, you remember very well, mimi mwenyewe nilimsaidia, tukafungua YouTube channel ya Mboya. Tukamtafutia Farouk. Farouk was the millionaire guy who was pumping money to Mboya, tukamchukulia BNB. We even wanted to buy him a car. Unaona? Alikuwa ananunuliwa gari yule. But he didn't know how to drive. Unaona? Akalipiwa nyumba, akanunuliwa equipments. That was someone who mi mwenyewe nilimtafuta mwenyewe, Farouk. He pumped a lot of money in Mboya. I hold Mboya hivi. From the previous so many interviews back, I was the only person who was holding Mboya. I've never asked Mboya for even a shilling. Mwambie bro sasa sahi unaingiza manze nikumbuke nilikusaidia. I don't do that. Even stand-up comedians, some of them are even bigger than me. I don't go back there niwaambie mabro manze mimi ndo nilikusaidia, mimi ndo nilikupe platform ya kwanza. Nisaidie nilipie rent hata mara moja tu kama asanti. I don't do that. Unaona? So me seeing Mboya trying to push Ngesh aongee mbaya about me. Unaona? Mimi nilitafuta Kido alitoa 45,000 ya video na audio ya Ngesh. Unaona? Napigia Ngesh simu, brother yake ndiye anashika na anasema acha nimtafute. Na get back. Nikakuwa, do you know, maybe you don't know how busy 2MBILI is always. Unaona? Like this interview I'm doing it, I was supposed to be doing something. So mimi nichukua hata 1 minute ya kukupigia simu, nikwambie kuna pesa fulani iko hapa, unafaa ufanye no video na audio. Then you are not picking calls. I had to return the money to kido nimwambie bro udem na spend time mob sana kumtafuta. Do zako ndio inakurudishia. Kido akaniambia umejaribu sana, we chukua hiyo do 45,000.
Yeah.
Unaona?
Yeah.
So even JJ Titus, a very rich guy, alitoa LX 570 yake na Wrangler, Jeep Wrangler, to shoot nayo video ya Ngesh. Alitoa a whole mansion yake pale Runda. Nani tushutie nao Ngesh video. Ngesh was nowhere to be seen. Mheshimiwa, watu wake pia wake wali reach out kwangu. Leta msichana kwa ofisi tuongee tuone vile tunaweza msaidia. Ngesh was nowhere to be seen. Alisema yeye anaweza jipeleka. I had to let her go. Unaona? What came out? She just meshed mheshimiwa, got excited, left empty-handed. Kitu alitoka no maybe ni selfie. Unaona? Yeah. Same to Sonko's team, they were looking for her. Same to Jimmy Wanjigi's team, they were looking for her. Mimi ningefanya nini? I'm not a spirit to locate Ngesh. The only way I can get to her was through a phone call. Na hiyo jana anasema anakataa ati mimi nilifaa nimnunulie simu. I asked her, uko na simu? Akasema ako nayo. So ningemnunulia simu ya pili ya nini? Na alikuwa mteja all through. Unaona? Yeah. Anasema yeye ana Instagram, ana TikTok, hana Facebook, ana nini. Mboya ananipush the all at I was the one who was supposed to open for her. Mimi namfungulia kama nani? Nafungulia Ngesh channel. Nini channel alikuwa na, hata ilikuwa na ngoma yake ya dem. Ngesh mwenyewe kwa interview yangu ya kwanza anasema anapeana handle zake za TikTok na Instagram. Unaona?
Yeah.
So anasema ati hakuwa na simu, ati alikuwaje na accounts. Today if I lose my phone, people know I'm on Instagram. If I lose my phone, have I lost my Instagram accounts?
No.
But mbona wanaogopa kufikiria? Wameshikana mpaka na Mboya na wanaogopa kufikiria. How painful is it to think?
So 2MBILI, like, let me ask you this. How does it feel umesaidia mse, the likes of Mboya, the likes of Ngesh, and they're out there tarnishing your name?
I don't feel anything cause as long as I remain 2MBILI, ingekuwa wamepunguza kitu kwa my brand 2MBILI, then I'll be feeling something. But I don't feel anything cause I know they are not even the first ones. Siawa Mboya kona Christmas 2 kwa industry, Ngesh bado hajakula hata Christmas kwa industry. Yeah. So I have people who have been in the game for 10 years and they appreciate 2MBILI. People like Felix Omondi. Felix everywhere he goes. Agenda interview, he doesn't forget the journey. He doesn't. He appreciates. You know, sometimes people see it hard to give the flowers while we are still alive. If I die today, they are the same people will come to cry and acknowledge how niliwasaidia just because I'm dead. Nona?
Yeah.
You give my flowers when I'm alive. Me, I give flowers to people who helped me. Hata kama kuna mtu alinisaidia. Me was learning from just seeing. Nona? Naona Eric ndio anaenda Uganda. Namfuata na basi. Modern Coast. I go like 2 days prior ndo tufike pamoja. Unaona? Nilikuwa na sacrifice na jituma mwenyewe. Unaona? Anie TV. Bazu. Hello. Wakamaki si pesa di. How much? How much?
Sijui ni ngapi.
Suwa kuambia alafu kuja niambie niko live. Haya. Sasa unaona? What was I saying?
About the people who acknowledge.
Yeah, so me I don't feel anything. Yesu pia alisaidia watu na bado akamsulubisha. I'm not comparing myself with Jesus, but again, it's the same story. I've had people, stand-up comedians who started from my efforts, but when they get up there, they can't even give credit.
Oh yeah.
They can't give credit. They even those ones who go extra. Apart, I give credit, but they mention you, but negatively. No. So me, I niche to it. These are small Ngesh. bado, you know, sometimes before you start throwing stones, be stable first.
Oh yeah.
Unaona? Like Mboya anaweza rusha mawe cause now he is stable. Ngesh hafai kurusha mawe.
Yeah, true.
Hajafika bado, hata hajaanza safari. Naona ile pale kwa wana shooting hivi juu wana pap ndo wanaanza mbio. Hizo mavitu watu wanafanyaga hivi like you get ready.
Oh, yeah.
She's just getting ready. Naona? And she's already throwing stones. Unaona?
Yeah.
I wasn't supposed to be talking about Ngesh because Ngesh is a small brand in a bigger way. Design. She has a future, but the future depends. Everybody has a future. There's a bad future, there's a positive future. But it depends with how you act now. If she starts throwing stones to me, even someone somewhere who is watching, who is feeling like huyu mdem naweza msupport, yeye pia ataona nikata fanywa hivyo.
Yeah.
She owes me nothing. No. By then she owes me nothing. But again, don't like be usiende uinje ukiyap. Appreciate the little. Me, I appreciate the little. That's why I appreciate my haters more, cause they make me get angry na nijipush. Wakiniambia 2MBILI hawezi, I have to act, work hard na niweze.
So along all these matter, that those people in your mistake na 2MBILI, your fans, that like 2MBILI can do this nini, maybe how does it feel kuona kuna the bigger percentage is on your side?
You know, I actually feel bad because people, it means that there's a brand that is suffering, a small brand that can't jitetea. When people are on my side sana, I feel good, but I feel bad again because it means if they are on my side, they are not on her side. And she's strong enough. She's not strong enough to fight them. Me, at least I've been in the game. Nimepigwa mawe for over 10 years. I can stand on myself. I can stand on myself. But what about her? She only has like a month in the game. She can't even jitetea hata na mtu mmoja. Me, I've learned the tricks of the game. Utanitusi na nichukulie positive nicheke. But what about her? Akirushiwa tu moja si ataanza kulia.
Yeah.
Unaona? So I don't take it like ati positive so much ati wase wako on 2MBILI side. 2MBILI ameitwa mwizi, 2MBILI ameitwa kutumia msichana. Kwanza hapo kwa kutumiana ni nini? Kutumiana ni nini?
Explain yeye.
Kutumia ya ametumiwa aje? Nobody is up there bila kutumiwa.
Yeah, true.
Nobody is up there. Almost a bigger percentage, 99.9% wasoko pale juu watu walitumiwa. Harmonize was in Diamond's camp. Alitoka. Rich Mavoko was in Diamond's camp. Alitoka. Unaona?
Yeah.
There are so many others. We were doing stand up at Churchill show. Sometimes utaona unatumiwa just because you are not being given everything that you want. It's like us now, sasa comedians, some say ati walitumika Churchill show kutengeneza pesa. Mulikuwa mnataka tupewe kila pesa yenye Churchill ana collect kwa gate. It can never happen.
Yeah.
You know? So hakuna kutumika, huyu mtoto ametumika. Alikuwa anasaidiwa. Na hata kama ni kutumika angetumika huko mbele sasa. Naona?
Yeah. So tumeongea so much on Ngesh. Maybe let's be positive now. 2MBILI tuliona uli acquire a new ride. By the way, congratulations.
Shukran sana. Thank you so much. I really thank God.
Ni God.
Yeah, ni God, man. Always. Hata kama watu wanakataa tusiseme ni God, but it starts with God. Then the other reasons follow. Yeah.
So maybe unaweza tuguzia to how much was it?
Am I ready to say that here?
Tuambie, tell us.
Okay, first of all, these are BMW 3 Series 320D. It's a diesel ride. Maximum speed to 60. What else? Ni nini unajua about gari? Iko na radio, inashika FM. Yeah, so I acquired it for 1.4 M. 1.4. Nimeipunguza but it was 1.6. So nimeipunguza tu for doubting Thomases. Kwa sababu unajua niliambia Butita 1.6 akaniambia tuirudishe umegongwa. So for doubting Thomases it's 1.6 cause it's 2011. Yeah, manufacturing year. Yeah.
So 2011. Maybe is this your dream car ama bado?
No. This can't be my dream car. Kwani mimi niko chini aje? This can't be my dream car. My dream car. My dream car is I want Lamborghini Urus. Yeah, Lamborghini Urus. Ni ile tu nimeamua tu niingie German because like all my friends, all my not friends, all my friends I say wameingia German. Obi drives a VW, YY has a Mercedes, Butita has a Jaguar. Yeah. So nikaona mbona God amenisaidia, why should I be left out? Yeah. Nikaamua mimi niingie na BMW.
That's nice.
Yeah,
maybe what was your friend's reaction when you waliona, like, yeah, what did they say?
No, I haven't seen their reaction yet, but for YY, I think the reaction yake niliona poa. He was so excited. Just he saw it after the show. After the show, we met ile base yetu yenye tunatumia kuinua nayo kasi pool. So and I can say his excitement was real, si ile ya kufake, because we know where we came from. Yeah, we've come from far. Yeah, we came from walking from, me personally, from the University of Nairobi hostels to Carnival. Unafika huko kama mguu na kuuma. Na saizi umepiga suti. You know me, I used to do suits kitambo. That's why squeezy. I feel like nilivaa kila suti. So I'm like, that's why nimekuwa tumejiachilia hivyo, cause hakuna luku sikuwa ipiga when I was in Campo. I was one of the neatest, zile masuti zote like nilikuwa napiga zote yani. So I felt like, yeah, no, let me take a break. Yeah, so ulikuwa unapiga suti umeifinya vizuri, then you walking mpaka Carnival with expectations that you will be given a platform, but again you go back without, you go back with you feeling like umenyang'anywa even hamu ya kufanya hii kitu, cause ukiambiwa hawezi, your jokes are not funny. Yeah, so nikiona kitu kaa hii, it really motivates me. Yeah, I've even seen people saying ni alone, ni anini, whatever it is, ni mimi niko nayo. Yeah, ikuwe ni alone ni mimi niko nayo. Watu alone imagine wananitegemea. Yeah. Ni mimi niko nayo, wanalia, wanasema flatbed. Yeah, flatbed, between flatbed and this car, which one is expensive?
This car. Yeah,
so if I manage to pay for it, I'll still pay for the flatbed. Unaona? So watu tusitishwe. Mafuta lita moja ni kama 180. Na hii gari ni mamilioni. So tunafaa tuogope gani kukuwa na hii gari? Mafuta tutaweka.
That's nice. And it seems you have a very interesting life story. Maybe tutakutafuta next time you tell us how you grew up and so on. So 2MBILI, many people are waiting for you in the Celeb ride with your own car. Maybe how are you planning to do it?
First of all, this one is going to be different because with the Subaru, and I've seen people asking me to sell them the Subaru Eco, because this is a car that I don't want to use it like every time. Hii ni gari tu ya na mishemishe ambazo za kuingiza hela. Otherwise hizi vitu zingine tutatumia Subaru. We still have the Lancer, the red Lancer, and ni Note tu ndio haiko. Yeah, so yeah, so for I'll give a fan to host me on Celeb ride. I'll give a fan.
So maybe many fans wangependa sana kukuhost. Now, which criteria will you use?
So iko hivi, Because I've seen so many comments of everybody wanting to host me on Celeb. So what I'm gonna do is you do a comment hapo with the hashtag Celeb host. Yeah. The comment with the most likes for YouTube, I'll give them the opportunity to host me on Celeb.
So under this video?
Yeah, I think under this video. Ama nifanye ingine.
You can as well do another one ama hii, or you can do it pale Instagram.
Yes.
So tunangoja.
Yeah. So, and the comment should only be on YouTube. Kwa sababu tukisema Instagram, YouTube nini itakuwa different with people having many likes. Like Instagram is a top liker, YouTube, but let's settle on YouTube only because Celebrate ni show ya YouTube. So the comment with the most likes, yeah, with the hashtag Celebrate host, you'll get an opportunity. I'll reach out to you and you will have the opportunity to host me on my show Celebrate. Yeah, so we'll do that. Then I'll move to, we'll start doing the season 3 of Celebrate because we have so many guests. People have been blessed. Niliwapea time on magari. I've seen so many of them. Akina Mboya, akina commentator, akina Austin Mungai, so many people. Yeah. Na inaenda kuwa moto. Season 3 is gonna be fire. Yes. So instead of criticizing negatively, guys, just pray or for yourself also. These things, everybody can get them. It just depends how you pushing yourself. Because me, I never saw my future. Okay. I was bright in school, so I knew I'll buy my car, I'll build a big house for myself, but I never knew it will come from art. Yeah. I always thought it will be from my career, microbiology. So, yeah.
Yeah, so 2MBILI tumepiga story sana. Maybe as we are finishing up, when should we expect the next show, stand-up comedy?
The next show is coming up in 2 months time. That's in Nairobi, but again before then we'll be doing Eldoret, Mombasa, and Eldoret, Mombasa, and the other town, Bungoma. Those are the 3 towns that have confirmed already. Yeah, so that's it. So if you are in any of the towns, get ready. We are coming with Who's Laughing Now, and it's gonna be bigger than the one we did in Kanairo. Yeah.
So next ni Mombasa.
We still looking into logistics, tuone ni gani tuta invade kwanza. Is it Bungoma ama Eldoret ama Mombasa?
Because fans, the other time fans were like, nini tawa hizi tushinda every month, 2MBILI alete show kila mwezi.
Yeah, wanasemaga tu hivyo. Tunataka tuwape, business wise lazima uwape njaa. If you keep on hivyo itakuwa watafika mahali. Yes, it will be like a trend, it will be like a movement, but again you have to make them prepare nini tutembele pia wale wengine, because we had people from Mombasa, we had people from Eldoret, Bungoma, Nakuru, Kisumu. People came from all corners. There's even one who came from Uganda just for this show. Yeah, imagine. So hatutawaangusha mafans. We really appreciate your support any day, anytime. Na mi pia ujikaza. I always come through for my fans because support is a two-way thing. Support me, I support you. That's why nikiingiaga kwa DM yangu, I have so many people. Wengine wanalia rent, wengine wanalia chakula, wengine wanalia school fees. I might not be in a position to support all of you. Ukiona hata sometimes ni kama, because I don't linger them, I reply them na kuambia for now siko poa, just know I've supported someone somewhere else. Yeah. We personally I'm not rich, but nakuaga tunayo hati ya kusaidia, kwa sababu pia mimi sikusaidiwa, so I know the pain of not being supported. Yeah, so the pain of me not being supported is what pushes me to support others, because I know the pain. Yeah.
So hapa ndani ya 2MBILI TIV, maybe speak to those who came to your Who's Laughing Now show.
I really appreciate you guys, cause you sacrificed your 1,000 shillings. Some bought even 5 tickets na walikuja peke yao cause they were buying for others, they were supporting 2MBILI. Even a friend from the US who bought 27 tickets, but even himself didn't come. CMG bought over 50 tickets and they came. I really appreciate. I don't take the support for granted. Even the person who complained akotuna 500 peke yake na anataka sana akuje kucheka. They know themselves. I was giving them the chance to just come because I was seeing it as genuine. Si ati next time mukuje tena ama mse fulani hapo akona do, I feel like kama anaweza nunua na 500 wacha tu ninunue na 500 ataelewa. No, for them it was genuine. I saw it and I had to make it sure they came to the show. So I really appreciate you all. Can't wait to show you again, to see you again in my next show. Yes.
Ongea na Ngesh.
Kaveve kazoze. Na mwish all the best. Aendelee kufanya kitu anadu. Bora tu asilalishe kwa sababu kitu mimi nimekelea mkono. I'll feel so bad if it fails cause ni kitu, it's like a project that I had already started. And I had a plan, master plan to see maybe in 6 months time this is a respected brand, big brand that can represent a product. Nona, that's why we were doing with the braces, with the wig, with the shoes, and the clothes were coming. So everything happens for a reason. Yes. And Nyashinsky kuna wimbo aliimba ambieni upcoming asijifeel sana. Yeah, asijisikie sana kwa sababu this game we've seen even big people who came with a bigger wave than her. And right now we can't even locate them where they are. Yeah. So that's what set in a wish bad. They would love to even attend a concert, Ngesh, But everything happens for a reason. And in that case, I was planning, this is just out of maybe your question. I'm planning to do a concert, one-man concert for Steve Simple Boy. I'll reach out to him so that people msinipige mawe mnasema nataka kutumia pia Steve. It's just something that I was to do with Ngesh after maybe 6 months. That was like next year. Tuone growth yake ko vipi. But I'm feeling like I will do it with Steve Simple Boy because Steve has been in the game. He has music that he can perform for maybe like 1 hour. Yeah. So it's something that is coming up. I want to do a live concert for Steve Simple Boy. And everything I'll cater for, I'll look for sponsors. Every money that they will inject in the project will go to Steve Simple Boy. Like balance after tumelipa venue, tumelipa nani watu wa kuuza tickets, logistics zote. The balance me I'll take 0%. Kwa ile pesa tabaki mimi nita calculate yangu 0%. Niweke kwa mfuko, balance ni Steve Simple Boy just to help him.
That's nice. So 2MBILI hata nifikishe message ya fans. They said usi give up, usichoke kusaidia watu. And thank you so much for your time, by the way.
We always say before you give up, always ask yourself why you started.
Exactly.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your time. The interview was nice. Till next time.
Thank you so much, Jackie, and welcome to 2MBILI TV.
Thank you.
Yeah.